Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can get rabbits in Stardew Valley. So what you need to do is to go ahead and get yourself a deluxe coop. Now you can get it from the carpenter's house. So you just want to head over to this specific pathway right here from town, up the saloon, and then up Pierre's store. In here, you just want to keep going up until you stumble across this pathway right here. And then you will get to Robin's house, which is going to be the carpenter for Stardew Valley. Talk to this person, click on construct farm buildings, and then you want to get yourself a deluxe barn or deluxe coop. So you can just purchase this deluxe barn right here, and from there we can now get our rabbits from Marian's ranch. So to get to Marian's ranch, you just want to travel into this location right here. Of course, there's two ways to reach this. One is going through town, and the second is traveling from your farm. Now to make things easier, I'll just travel from town right here, head over to this location, go down, and then you want to enter this pathway right here. Now if you're going from your farm, it's even simpler. You can just head over to the pond right here, go down, and then you will be able to get to this location. Now from here, just head over to Marian's ranch, which is going to be this big house. Talk to the clerk right here, which is going to be Marian, and from there you then want to click on purchase animals. Choose rabbit, and then you're good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.